bitter kola for relieving arthritis, improving male fertility, and more. Bitter kola, or also known as Garcinia kola, is a plant which originated in Africa with various uses. People in Central and Western Africa has been using this plant in the daily aspects of life. Bitter kola belongs to the species of the tropical flowering plant. It produces brown, nut-like seeds that are similar looking to kidney beans. This plant has proven to be very beneficial for the people of Africa for its healing properties. Also, bitter kola contains high source of minerals and vitamins such as vitamins A, C, E, B1, B2, B3, calcium, fiber, iron and potassium. This is the reason why bitter kola is good for you. There are various known benefits commonly found in bitter kola. Here are the health benefits of bitter kola you should know. Health benefits of bitter kola. 1. Balance blood sugar levels. Bitter kola can also be effective for people who have type 2 diabetes, as a means of keeping their blood glucose levels stable. Studies have reported that the seeds from the plant can help in reducing elevated blood glucose levels. This makes it great for both treatment of type 2 diabetes and for any complications that can arise from the condition. Also, studies that were performed on rats who had type 1 diabetes reported that bitter kola could prevent the cognitive and motor dysfunction, which is typically linked with the disease. 2. Improves male fertility. Studies have shown that when it comes to the improvement of sexual performance, most especially among men, bitter kola is effective. Bitter kola not only increases sex drive, but it also improves the sexual performance of men who consume it. To be effective, it is advisable to chew the kola for at least 2 minutes before intercourse. 3. Relieve arthritis. In the July 2017 issue of the Journal of Orthopedic Surgery and Research, it is revealed that Garcinia kola or bitter kola reduces pain and joint inflammation caused by osteoarthritis. Osteoarthritis is known to be one of the most common forms of arthritis, which is normally caused by obesity, aging, or a joint injury. It is characterized by pain, swelling, and inflammation in the joints, therefore, causing reduced movement. The antioxidant properties present in bitter kola provides anti-inflammatory or analgesic effects that significantly counters the effect of osteoarthritis. 4. Reduce eye pressure. An increase in eye pressure may lead to glaucoma, as per the report from the New York Times Health Guide. Researchers at the Lagos University Teaching Hospital in Nigeria studied the effectiveness of eye drops which contained 0.5% extract of Garcinia kola. The results of their study was published in the January 2010 issue of Middle East African Journal of Ophthalmology, showed that the ophthalmolic solution which contained the Garcinia significantly reduced eye pressure when used at least 2 times a day. 5. Weight loss. Bitter kola is known to be effective as an appetite suppressant. Also, bitter kola is capable of encouraging increased consumption of water and stimulating thirst. If you are drinking more water for the rest of the day, you will also naturally be boosting your metabolism as well. These two factors combined makes bitter kola a useful food if you are focusing on losing those excess pounds. How to consume bitter kola. Bitter kola has proven to be an effective cure for the human body in various ways. The parts that can be consumed from the plant are the stem, bark, seeds, sap and latex or gum. Bitter kola is one of the many vegetables that are better to be consumed raw to benefit from its high nutritional content. It may taste bitter, but there is no doubt on its sweet and healthy benefits. Kola tea recipe. Directions. 1. Split open a kola seed pod. 2. Fill a small saucepan and tea kettle with 10 ounces of water. 3. Bring the water to a boil. 4. Place 4 to 6 kola nuts into the pot of boiling water. 5. Boil the nuts for at least 5 minutes. 6. Remove the pot from heat. 7. Pour the mixture using a strainer in a mug. 8. Discard the kola nuts. 9. Allow the kola tea to cool slightly before drinking. Bitter kola precautions. Herbal plants or herbal medicine rarely has any side effects, but on some occasion, anything excess or wrong proportion intake will show its side effects, including upset stomach, nausea, long hour sleep, increase weight loss, irregular habit, increase in sex drive, and possibly allergic reaction.